Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our half bar 25 grit soft bond grinding plates. This is a great tool for lightweight machines. It offers the point pressure so you can execute stock removal, so you can do production rates, so you're more efficient. Cost per square foot realistically is around 2 pennies a square foot. And it just basically could be worked on light machines, on heavy machines. Heavy machines, if you really have no other tool that's biting into the concrete, this is a softer abrasive. This will definitely bite into the concrete. Have a wonderful day. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our Rhombus single 16 grit in the soft bond grinding plate. Now, the Rhombus was made initially to be considered a premium, so we added higher concentration of a premium synthetic diamond, and or if it's 6 or 16, it was a true diamond, but we added a heavier concentration up to 30%. Also, the segment size is about, honestly, 30% more surface area versus a rectangle bar, which is 40 millimeters by 10 by 10. This tool will offer fast stock removal, will give you a nice uniform scratch pattern, will give you a good cost per square foot. Works on light machines and heavy machines. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our classic cap cutters. This is a great tool for lightweight machines and even heavy machines that just can't bite into hard concrete. Now you have two segments, so you have multiple cutting edges. Very soft alloy, has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have magnetic adapters for grinders like Diamatics. Now, I understand being married to a proprietary system, you are married to their system, what works for their concrete. If you create your own toolbox and you have an option to make your diamonds universal, buying from anybody, if you're in no man's land and there's a diamond guy next door, you can buy their diamonds. You create your toolbox. End of year, see those savings. Any questions, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our Chemtech Cam 1000 Polyaspartic sold in 2-gallon kits. This is an extremely durable top coat. It offers superior chemical UV and solvent resistance, 83% solids, VOC compliant. You get around 150 to 350 square feet per gallon. Your cost per square foot is very low. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 3-inch 76 millimeter Lynx Hybrid Pad. This is a pad that's over a decade old. It's done millions upon millions of square feet. It leaves a very subtle scratch pattern. It takes out coarse metal scratches, can be used on heavy machines, on lightweight machines. It's to be used wet. Its cost per square foot on average, 1 to 2 cents a square foot. For more information, message me now.